Hi, I'm Shrikant Narsimhan, coach and mentor for the kids to live their aspirational lives. I'm here to discuss about goals. What are goals? How to identify a goal and plan for it. Then execute a goal and measure it so that you can celebrate the success after achieving the goal. This is what we are going to talk in next 5-10 minutes. So let's start. Are you not excited? If you're excited, type yes in the comment box so that we can have a offline interactions. Let's start. What is a goal? A goal is a dream or a vision which we aspire to achieve in our life. For someone to succeed in life, goal is one of the important aspect. So, what is a dream? A dream is something that kindles us and we try to follow it. So, now let's get back to goal. When I say goal, it's a vision or a dream that we aspire to achieve. So, as a child, I have tons of dreams. But when I dream, there is something called fantasy also involved in it. So, let's understand what is a fantasy. Fantasy is something which is unrealistic and not achievable. For example, as a kid, I want to fly. In reality, a human cannot fly without any support from mechanical engines like a flying machine or something like that. But right now, it's not invented. It's very important as a child, the fantasies and the achievable dreams are differentiated. That takes to the next important step of how to identify my goals from my dreams. As a kid, dreaming is something which is pretty common and even it's there for elders. And we wish that let the dream comes true. So in reality, it's not that way. Whatever we dream is not going to be achievable in reality. So what we should do? First thing, whatever dreams we have, listen to the heart and check if the dreams what we are dreaming and my heart also wants that. Whatever I want to achieve is what going to be translated as a goal. So the dream should be matching with my heart and it should say my heart should say yes, I want to follow that. Once the dreams are identified as goals, then write it in a piece of paper or a notepad or a diary. The moment I write it in the diary, it instructs my brain that I am interested in following this dream. So now you have identified and written the top 3 or top 5 dreams that you want to follow. It's very important that this is discussed with your parents or mentors or teachers to ensure that if you are not clear about your dreams, you want some help, they are there to help you. In case if you are clear, then you are good to go pursue your dreams to achieve the goals. Having written in the diary or notepad, is that sufficient? No. Now you have to figure out how my goal is achievable. So I have to put a plan to achieve the goal. For example, let us take a simple case of reducing my weight by 5 kgs. One thing is most important in a goal is time frames. If I don't define my time frame, then that goal is as good as being written in the paper only. It will not be executed or achieved. So write the goal, then divide the goal into multiple sub-tasks or mini goals. For example, I want to reduce by 5 kgs, which I mentioned earlier. Now, when I want to reduce by 5 kgs, now it is November. I want to achieve it before December 15th. So I have 5 weeks. So 5 weeks I have to reduce 5 kgs. Is this achievable? Why not? It's very much achievable. So what should I do? I should plan for it and start working on it. So now the plan is available. 5 kgs, 5 weeks. So I am going to check how to do it. I can reduce my weight by 2 ways. One is fruit diet and second is going to gym and doing exercises. I choose the path of gym. That is my choice. So means of achieving the goal is identified. How I am going to do it? I am going to gym. Can I reduce 5 kgs within the first day of going to gym? No. So what is my goal? 5 kgs in 5 weeks. But how do I know after end of 5 weeks I am reducing by 5 kgs? I don't know. So I am going to tell my gym instructor what should I do. So gym instructor gives me a target to reduce 2 kgs by 2 weeks. So I start doing the exercise and follow the instructions. At the end of 2 weeks, I measure my weight. So now if the weight is not reduced by 2 kgs, then my goal is not accomplished. The mini goal what I set is 2 kgs in 2 weeks. But that is not achieved. So I have to revisit my plan. Let us take the happy path. Assume that I have reduced 2 kgs. Then what is my next target? I have to reduce by 3 kgs further. So that end of 5 weeks I have 5 kgs reduced. So this is how I measure it. I check my weight 2 weeks, then every week, and then end of 5 weeks my weight should be reduced by 5 kgs. If my weight is reduced by 5 kgs, I should pat on my back. Why? Because that's a success. I achieved my goal. So you understood how the plan is done and executed. Now one important aspect is here. How do I know my goal is going the right direction? For that reason only we have to use goal planners and track the planner. So I put a planner from November 7th to December 15th what I am going to do in next 5 weeks to reduce my weight by 5 kgs. So first thing my planner will say daily calendar where I start my day at 5:45 wake up time. 6 o'clock start to gym. 6:30 reach gym. 6:30 to 7:30 workout. Next day same thing repeats. And end of week 1 I will note my weight. So the target is checked. What is my progress against the target? How much weight I have reduced, whether I have reduced half kg or 750 grams in week 1 of my gym. So this is called review of your progress. Then you do for the second week. The same thing you do until your goal is accomplished. You achieve 5 kg reduction, then my goal is successful. In this process, what happens? I am expanding my aspirations. My dream becomes big. So my workout also increases, or my activity increases to achieve my bigger goals or dreams. Like this, you will do for every goal that you have identified to achieve. In this video, you learnt about what is a goal, how to identify a goal, plan for a goal with timelines, and execute the process. And fifth one, most important thing, pat on the back. So these are simple 5 things that we need to do for a goal setting. If everything is clear, please type in the comment and share your feedback. If there are any doubts or any further clarification required, I am more than happy to help you people to explain more about goals. And this is the beginning of my videos. I am going to do series of videos on personality development, on life skills, and covering entire areas which will help you to build your skills. So looking forward for further discussions with you. And this is my first video. Your feedback is welcome and it will help me to refine further. Looking forward for your continued support. Thank you. All the very best. See you soon. Enjoy till then. Have a nice and a safe days. See you. Bye bye. Srikanth.